Sana Zethu is pregnant. Shocker. I'm shocked. Definitely did not see this one coming. Yep, Zethu is pregnant and she is carrying Linkamva's child because she and Kulani have not they have not been intimate yet. So, and Zethu also did disclose that she have not been doing adultery. Izinto zabantu abadala in like a while, ever since Linkamva has left us. So definitely this means that it is Linkamva's child. Now, so many people have been advising Uzethu, including Twitter users. This is what one person from Twitter said. If Zethu was a friend, I would advise her to delete her fetus. However, as a viewer, I want her to carry this pregnancy to full term and be the Mabantla's karma. That's what they get for mocking Zolas. Oh, Sana, do you think this pregnancy could be the Mabantla's karma? Oh, I see fights, okay? I see fights. Oh, Sana, not the friendship that Zolega have built with Utandega, because another part of me tells me that Uxolani would want to step up and father the child since Udabs Sana Udabs uyapapa. Oh Udabs I can't with her. So Udabs went ahead and disclosed information to Uxolani that she is not supposed to disclose, by the way. She disclosed Uguti Uzethu is pregnant. Oh, Sana, can someone fire Udabs for doing this? Okay. So now Uxolani have been noticing that Uzethu have been acting a bit of fun ever since she went to the hospital. But Uxolani really had no idea why Uzethu is acting a bit funny. But Udabs was here to say, listen, Xolani, Zethu is pregnant. Udabs Kesana suspects that the father is Xolani. And something in me thinks that Uxolani is definitely going to let people run with the assumptions that the baby is his. Oh, Sana, meanwhile, the baby is Linkamva's. Oh. So now, I don't know what will the Mabantlas say. I don't know what will Tumega and Hlati say, but Tumega and Hlati probably the world suspects that the baby could also be Linkamva's, especially if they are counting how far along Zethu is. Also, how come Zethu like honestly didn't know that she is pregnant until she is like 2 months? I mean not 2 months, 4 months. 4 months is very much far long for Zethu to just say, no, I didn't know that I was pregnant. Anyways, I do feel like Zethu is definitely the Mabantla's karma. You remember that Utumega meant to say just recently she was supposed to thank Zethu for coming through on Linkamva's hearing. But Utumega, no, couldn't thank Zethu. If anything, she was out here thanking God, saying, oh yeah, all this was possible because of God. It's definitely God's miracles, okay? And now, as a grandmother, she may want to take away the baby from Zethu. Like, she may want to take away the baby from Zethu. I honestly want Uxolani to step up and wants to father this baby. And if Uxolani step up and wants to father the baby, I feel like Utandega really will have no choice but to support her son, in what her son wants to do. Oh, Inimba, my babe. I did not see this coming. I did not see such a good twist storyline coming. And I'm just like, I'm here for it, babe. Like, I'm here for it. All the juiciness. Give us, okay? Give us. But yeah, guys, I don't know. Hey, I don't know if you all think Zethu, because at the end of the day, Zethu have a big decision to make. Is she gonna be able to keep the baby, or is Uxolani gonna convince Zethu to keep the baby, and they will both parents the baby? I do not know. But yeah, knowing Utumega and Uhlati, they are going to fight a nail and a tooth for this baby. Remember, they lost from Zolega and Lazarus. Now they will want to fight poor Zethu. Oh, Sana, I hope Uzethu really gets a good support from Ukolani, because I don't want Zethu to be bullied by the Mabantlas. The Mabantlas can go to heck for all I know if they are going to try to bully Uzethu. No, so ze. Oh, hi, shame. Utomega evil. You know, I find it very, very hard to just reconnect with this woman based on her heart. Now, she refused to be grateful to who gave a testimony as a witness. Appeal. Listen, when I tell you that Utomega was more like, yeah, asibongeni uThixo, I was just like, Tums, oh, what do you mean? Let's thank God. I mean, yes, we should thank God. But in this case, you are supposed to be grateful because Uzethu didn't have to, you know. Moreover, Uzethu is actually working for the Zondos. So for her to turn her back on the Zondos and not even care that in that point she is risking her job, but still she gave a testimony for Ulwandle. I mean, for the testimony that is favors Linkamva, because she was in Linkamva's life and it also happened to her, you know. And she was like, no, Ulwandle did not make a mistake on that night. Ulwandle left us lying there. And it was definitely not a mistake. You know, it's one thing to say you made a mistake by crashing a car. It's another to actually leave people that you clearly see that these people need your help. And Ulwandle, in that moment, in that instance, he left people that he could see that these people needs my help. So, I mean, yes, Uhlati had a talk with Utomega, which was about time. And, man, I mean, as much as Utomega was like, yeah, I see I might have been wrong, but I'm just like, I'm so over you, Tums. Meanwhile, the Zondos are fighting. It seems like Uhlengiwe was willing to do just about anything to get her son out of prison. I don't know if I should say she acted as a mom or what, but yeah, Uhlengiwe even staged the attack Galwandle. Unfortunately, Mr. Zondo find out ukuthi Uhlengiwe staged the attack Galwandle. Not Uhlengiwe also pushing that Mr. Zondo must fire Uzethu. Like, Uhlengiwe is not a good mom. Like, she is not a good person. Let alone her not being a good mom. She's not a good person, because for the longest time, I was feeling like, okay, you know what? I feel sorry for Uhlengiwe. She's a mom, you know. Any mom would do just about anything to protect their children, their son, you know. But when she was also pushing the agenda of Zethu being fired, I'm just like, Uhlengiwe, no, you're taking it too far. Meanwhile, the Nguganas are still at it, trying to decide if they will put Azande in a power. But it does seem like Azande is not willing to back down. As much as Uzolega and Lazarus does not want to leave their company in the hands of Azande, as they feel like Azande is not yet ready to be a leader. But Azande is like, no, I'm tired of being treated like a child. I have been treated like a child for many times, and it stops here and it stops now. Right now, I am demanding what I feel like I deserve and it's due to me. Right now, I need to be in power. So, honestly, I do not know. I don't know if Lazarus and Uzolega will put Azande in power. I mean, Lazarus did say he still have just one more move in him, and we have not really seen him make his move. So perhaps they may not, you know. I love the drama that Azande brings. I don't know if I'm toxic for it, but I'm here for it. I'm like, Azande, bring that drama. Bring it. I'm here for it, okay? Sana, we have a new forbidden love on Inimba. Yep, Uxolani is falling hard for Uzethu. In fact, they are falling for each other hard. When I say hard, I mean hard. Anyway, they decided that they're gonna just go ahead and date because no one should control them based on what they should and shouldn't feel. Now, Uthandeka Xolani's mom is already aware of her son's feelings towards Uzethu. And shame Bandla Uthandeka tried so much to reprimand Uxolani and tell him that no, to be in a relationship with Uzethu is not a good idea. If anything, it's a bad idea. It's a horrible idea. It's wada, but Uxolani is like, you know what, mama, I'm not about that lifestyle. Like, I'm not about that lifestyle. I'm not going to allow anyone to control me, tell me how should I feel and how I shouldn't feel. Anyway, this week we are also going to see and witness that Uhlati will also find out about this romantic relationship between Uxolani and Uzethu. It seems like our two young couples will not be able to keep their hands off each other. They will be so loving and, they will just want their hands on each other all the time until they are caught by Uhlati. Uhlati is going to confront everyone, even the parents. One thing that I like about Xolani, I must say, is the fact that he did ask for advice. He asked for advice from his dad. And his dad gave him a go ahead. He was like, it's okay if you like someone. It does not matter that she was once with someone that you happen to know. As long as you know that relationship is over and closed, you are within your rights to fall in love again. So I just wonder, will Xolani's dad, change his heart as soon as he finds out that his son is falling hard for Uzethu? Now, moving along to the Ngogana drama, it is said that this is our last week seeing Lazarus and Zolega as a couple, as Zolega will be going on a 1 month break. However, Azande is demanding to be left as an acting CEO whilst Zolega is on a break. He's like, listen, Zolega, you are going on a break either way. Leave me as an acting CEO. And of course, Zolega is not going to take it very nicely. And it is going to appear as if Azande is demanding, or rather blackmailing, Zolega and Lazarus. Now, one thing that we do not know is, are they going to give in to the blackmail? Are they going to give in to the blackmail? I strongly suspect that they are going to give in to the blackmail. Remember, also, Zolega have a decision to make to try to protect Uqhawekazi as well. And she will just feel like, you know what, maybe this is the right thing to do in trying to protect Uqhawekazi as well. Because Uqhawekazi needs to be protected and made sure that she ain't going to prison. She ain't going to prison because right now, it's just not looking good for Uqhawekazi as well. It's not looking good for Uqhawekazi. But Azande decided to keep a secret. But we all know Azande, he was just thinking for himself than for Uqhawekazi. Meanwhile, Lwandle is coming out. There was a hearing whereby the Mabandlas were opposing Lwandle coming out. Meanwhile, the Zondos, especially Lwandle's mom, Uhlengiwe, was pushing for Azande to come out. She was just like, listen, Azande needs to be out of prison. Azande needs and have to be out of prison. Lwandle, I'm sorry for saying Azande, Lwandle. And as a mom, she pushed everything that she could. There was a hearing. They also asked Uzethu to be part of the hearing, and Uzethu went there and just be like, no. What Lwandle did to us that day was very traumatic. Not only did he, crash on us, but he also left us there in the scene and just ran away like a coward and left us to bleed, So yeah, but it does seems like, the law is sloppy. It does seems like Lwantle is coming back. He is going to be discharged. And I don't know how will the Mabandlas take the news. Lwantle being discharged, Olani and Zetu's relationship being public. Hey guys, I don't know. Hey, I don't know how do I feel about Xolani and Zetu's relationship. Please do comment down below and tell me, how do you feel about this relationship? For me, it's tricky. Like, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's very, very, very tricky. I don't know how exactly I feel about Zolega, about Zetu and Xolani's relationship. Another part of me is like, they shouldn't be together. Another part of me is like, it's not a big deal. These are two young couples. If they want to be together, what's the big deal? So yeah, I'm very much conflict head. I don't really know how I'm feeling, but yeah, good tricky. That's one thing I will tell you. Sana, it did not even take 5 minutes for Kawe to find out that Azande is up to no good. So, Saturday, Kawe walked in on Azande trying to register Kawe's idea under his name, and Kawe is like, what do you mean, babe? What do you mean? What were you doing? So clearly my mother was right all along. My mother tried to warn me that you are up to no good, and sadly I did not listen. And it does look like Kawe is seriously devastated by this news, and poor Azande can't and wouldn't be able to explain himself what was he doing. Now, one thing that I do not know, because I saw it on this week's trailer, is who will hurt Azande. I'm guessing it's Zolega. Honestly, I'm guessing it's Zolega. It seems like Kawe will call Zolega. She will be crying. She will be in a bad place. Then Zolega will come and say, hey, you are definitely messing with the wrong child now. You are definitely messing with the wrong child when you decide to mess with my child. Because Uzolega did say, yazini uyasamawela ukubamba uAzande ngamawashingi. And also we get to see that Azande's mom will be here trying to save the day. Oh sana agadigi udawabo uyadiga sana, because enabling a child and spoiling a child like Azande, it's really bad, okay? And you can tell that Azande was definitely enabled and spoiled at the same time. But anyway, she would want to know who has had Azande this way. Now, this is why I'm saying it's probably Zolega, because the way Zolega is crying, oh sana, it's uncontrollable. And I'm just like, oh sana, is it you, Zozo? Did you say to Azande, don't ever mess with my child ever again? And honestly, I don't really blame Uzolega, because really Azande tried to get in between Kawe and Uzolega, and Uzolega was just like, listen, I've worked so hard for me and Kawe to just build a relationship together, and now to see that all my hard work was for nothing, like, it's hurtful. And honestly, I do understand where is she coming from if she's gonna say, listen, this is very much hurtful, very, very hurtful. But but anyways, let's move into the Mabandla family. Oh sana, I hate the fact that Uzolega and not Uzolega, meant to say Utumega and Uhlati are back together. Like, I really hate it. I'm like, why are these two back together? Why? Can someone please tell me? I hate them back together. Anyway, it is said that Ulwandle is going to be released early, as Uhlengiwe is applying for an appeal for Ulwandle to be released early. Now I'm like, okay, we get to see Utumega and Hlati's relationship being tested once again. I mean, were they serious when they said that they no longer blame each other for Linkamva's death? It is what it is, we don't blame each other anymore. I think now we will get to see how serious I mean, if they meant it, if they really, really meant the fact that they do not blame each other anymore with Linkamfa, whatever happened. But anyway, yeah, guys, like that's the tea. That's the tea pertaining Inimba this week.